What is cough? It is protective reflex, which remove all irritants and accumulated secretions. Mainly, there are two types of cough, including productive cough and non-productive cough. The productive cough helps to clear the airways. Remember, its suppression may be harmful, and it can lead to many infections. On the other side, the non-productive cough is useless. Let's discuss some anti-cough agent. Firstly, antitussives, also called cough center suppressants, including codeine, flurocodone, noscapine, dextromethorphan, antihistamines, and benzonate etc. Pharyngeal demulcents include lozenges, linctuses, and licorice etc. Similarly, the expectorants and mucolytics are shown. These anti-cough agents are widely used. Thank you for watching. For any question, comment below and subscribe to our channel.